right, guys, how about that? So I had my little helper out with me yesterday, Jameson. Huh? You do it. You do it. Catch a mole. Catch a mole. Hit him. Get him. Arrgh. All right. And we walked into this yard and we saw where this guy had, I don't know, maybe 35, 40 feet of run. And I walked him down and came back last night and it started getting late. I thought I would get up early this morning for church and go out and check, because this guy was doing a lot of runs. So you know, you gotta walk those runs down and then you come back and you check him, and wherever he's at this morning, he already has maybe another 25 feet or so up, and he's heading into some new territory. And when they're in the new territory, that's the easiest way to catch them, because when you hit right behind them, they don't have anywhere to go. So, all right, guys, God bless you all from the MOLiminator.